Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase, Rocky Mountain UTVs, and today we're showing you the lineup of CO2 tanks from PowerTank. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you the lineup of CO2 tanks that we offer from PowerTank. If you're looking for a quick, easy way to inflate your tires, whether you had a puncture when you're out there on the trails having a good time, maybe you have a slow leak, or if you're looking to get even more utility out of your pump on your side-by-side, your Jeep, your rock crawler, whatever it might be, well, they've got some really good options. So we're gonna go through, we'll talk about the two different options that you can see up here on the table as far as the sizing goes. We'll talk about the different kits, and we'll help you decide which one of these might be best for you. Now with these, yes, they are gonna be more expensive than just your standard 12-volt air compressor that a lot of people have on their vehicles. But like I said, the big benefit to these is how quickly and easily you can pump up your tires. Now, when you're looking at the table, you can see there's two different size tanks. You've got the 20-ounce bottle, and you've got the big dog with the 5-pound. And within the 20-ounce, there's different kits available, and it's really just gonna depend on what your needs are and what you wanna go after. But let's talk about the capacity with these and what the capability is. So with a 20-ounce tank, and I do wanna point out that these are not filled when you buy these. You need to go get these filled with CO2. You go to, say, a paintball shop, or just call and ask anyone that can fill up CO2 cans, see if they can do it for you, but it's not very expensive to get these filled up. But with the 20-ounce version, this, they say, can inflate up to 3 32-inch tires from 0 to 10 PSI. So you get a lot of capacity out of just one bottle. And what's nice about these too, like I mentioned earlier, is how quickly they will pump up your tire. These, they put out about 45 CFM versus about 5 to 6 on a high-end 12-volt air compressor. So it's gonna pump up your tire a heck of a lot quicker. In fact, they say about 1 PSI per second when you're using these. And what's nice too is that they're easy to use. You got this trigger regulator on here, and then you've just got your hose, so it just goes right to your valve stem, pull on the trigger, and then that CO2 starts coming out. It's pumping up your tires quickly and easily. So that's what you're getting with the 20-ounce version. Another great benefit to these too is that once these are filled, there's a lot of pressure inside here. And what's cool is that you don't really lose that pressure until it's completely empty. So even when it's starting to get low, you're still gonna get the same amount of pressure coming out, so it's still gonna inflate your tire just as quickly. One thing you do wanna know though, is that when these run out, it's gonna be a little bit harder to know when you are getting low on that CO2, and really the best way to know if you need to get these filled up is you wanna weigh them. So weigh it when it's completely empty, weigh it when it's completely full, and that will be a good indicator of when you need to get these refilled. That is your 20-ounce can. Now, like I said, there's different options available. You could buy, for example, over here to my right, this is one kit that will come with your can. You're gonna have a plug kit that will come with it, a pressure gauge, and then just a bag that everything goes inside of. You have another kit that will come with a can, roll cage clamps, but you don't get the tire plug kit or the pressure gauge. You got the twin version, which comes with 2 cans, 2 roll cage clamps, and then the plug kit and everything else. So you look at those kits, kind of decide which one's gonna be best for you. But again, all 3 of those will come with the 20-ounce can. We just talked about those. And then next, we have the big dog. We got the 5-pound tank. And the 5-pound tank is gonna be pretty specific to what your needs are. If you're looking for more utility than just with the 20-ounce version, say you wanna hook up some of your air tools, this will allow you to do that. If you're the type of person that likes to be prepared and help other people out that might be in your group, then maybe you're gonna want this set up, or maybe you're doing work around the house or the farm, then yeah, this is going to be awesome, because with this, with the 5-pound version, we talked about the 20-ounce, you can do up to 3 tires from 0 to 10 PSI. Well, this puppy is up to 12 tires from 0 to 10. Same rate, you're gonna be about 1 PSI per second when you're pumping those up. Or as far as lug nuts go, they're saying you could take off 150 lug nuts with one of these full that are about 90 foot-pounds. So that's really the capacity that you're getting out of this. Now what's nice too, like I said, the utility, it comes with a 25-foot coiled hose. You can hook that up. You can use your air tools on here. You have the regulator on there so you can adjust the PSI that is coming out. Also, you do have their pressure gauge, so you've got your air chuck with a really high quality pressure gauge built into it. So you're gonna get that. You're not gonna get that with the 20-ounce version. So again, you're upgrading there with that. Or like I said, if you're in a race situation and you've got this thing mounted up, since you have the 25-foot coiled hose, you can reach all 4 tires with that. So if you just had your air impact, you could use that to take your tires and put them back on. So a lot more utility that you're getting out of the 5-pound. Obviously, it is a heck of a lot bigger, and you do go up in price. So those are the things you'd want to consider. But in any case, great setup from Power Tank. Again, you got the 20-ounce version, you got the 5-pound. You just got to look, say, okay, what are my needs? What do I want to get out of this? Do I want more utility? Do I just want something a little bit smaller, lightweight, and I just need to inflate my tires? Well, if that's you, really good setup to have. If you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab yours today, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We do offer some other accessories from Power Tank. For example, if you have the Pro Eagle CO2 jack, they make an adapter that will connect your Power Tank, to your Pro Eagle jack. So instead of having to use just those little CO2 cartridges, you've got this bad boy to help you out. Orders of $75 ship free. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and stay up to date. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.